Alright, here's this Emerson ceiling fan. This looks like a Zurich. I don't know what it is. Could be a Mario. I don't know. So here's low. Maybe I might show a quick spin down. Medium low. I'm going to show this feet's quick on this. Medium high. Because we're going soon. And then high. This thing blows a lot of air. I'm guessing I'm just calling this fan a Zurich. Because I know Zurich, I don't know any other ornate Emersons. Unless this one's pretty old. I might show halves and or spin down could be quite quick. Bearings might be stiff on this. The other one was a longer spin down time. Emersons typically have long spin down times. Long spin because they're heavy blades. So it looks like they're calling my name, but they're not. You can see it right here. This is a quick demonstration. Quick. But spin down. You might make it. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. We're almost getting there. And yes, that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.